Hey there, and welcome to Writing Practices. Today we're diving into how to write a request letter. Whether you're asking for more information, permission, or even some assistance, I'll show you how to structure this letter so it's clear, polite, and to the point. So, let's break it down. First things first, you're going to start with your own details at the top of the letter. This includes your name, address, email, and phone number. Basically, you're making it easy for the recipient to know who's contacting them and how they can get back to you. You also want to add the date. This is important because the recipient should know when this request is being made. After you've got your information set, the next step is to add the recipient's details. You'll include their name, their title, and the company or organization they work for. If this is a formal letter, double-check that you have the correct details. It helps set the right tone. Now for the fun part, the request itself. You'll want to start the body of the letter with something like "Dear Recipient's Name," and then jump straight into the request. Make sure it's clear and direct. For example, you could write, "I am writing to formally request whatever it is you're asking for." Whether it's leave from work, additional information, or help with a project, be specific but keep it polite. Once you've made the request, it's time to briefly explain why you're asking for it. This doesn't need to be a long explanation. Just a quick sentence or two to provide context. For example, if you need the information to finish a project, you could say, "This information will help me complete task or project name." It shows the recipient why your request is important without overloading them with details. After that, let them know you're happy to provide any additional information if needed. Something like, "Please let me know if you need further details or documentation," works great here. It shows you're open and ready to cooperate. Then, all that's left to do is thank them for their time and consideration. A quick "thank you for your assistance" is perfect to wrap it up. And of course, you'll close the letter with "sincerely," followed by your name. And there you have it. Writing a request letter is all about being clear, polite, and to the point. Keep it simple, follow these steps, and you'll have a professional letter ready in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials on writing practices.